As you can see, I'm fumbling the seat right now. We're taking this off and we're gonna put our new seat cover on it. And right now, we're just kind of gathering together everything we need to make this job as simple as possible. I don't know, we kind of want to higher in the air. My friend told me that you just kind of want to start with getting the front and the back end on. We're gonna set 2 starting staples right here to hold this into place. And then you want to start from the center, get this stretched around as tight as you can, staple down in the center and work your way towards the front first on each side. And then work your way from the center to the back. So now we're gonna go to the center. We're gonna get it
stretched
out.
Yeah, make sure you're checking how clean you are on top.
Kind of want to get it evenly stretched out so you don't have creases across it. But
And this is his first time doing the seat cover, so
yeah,
let's see how this thing turns out.
we're gonna start pretty much at the peak of the bend. It's the best spot to start. Honestly, I'm gonna get a staple on one side, and then I'm gonna go over and staple the other side.
You gotta set this thing down.
I can't, like,
'Cause you're not-
I can't get behind it.
So what maneuver is this right here? What do you call this?
Stretching it out.
Not the Kirk stretch seat cut 5,000.
So you're already getting pretty much a guess of what it's looking like. Doesn't look too bad.
We're gonna get them little creases out. You're not worried about them?
There's not really that many creases in it. Now we're gonna just work our way towards the front. Oh my gosh, all those staples just came out.
Really?
Yeah.
So what did we learn here?
These staples. That looks fine to me. We ran out of staples, so it's stapled enough for now. So then I'll worry about getting it stapled the rest of the way when I get more. See, that's what I was worried about.
Not fitting. They'll probably get down there. Yeah, you're lined up. You're lined up here, but oh, you didn't get in the loop, dude. You gotta smash the front down and get into that.
It's in there.
There you go. Now line it up with the back. Yep, you're still lined up. Get your seat number plate flaps on this side and make sure everything. Yep. Little pop there, still lined up. Gucci gang. Let's see it.
Let's clean with that on there.
She line up. Nice and easy, just like that.